You dumbass bitch.
Bro's got the Mr. Beast hat.
That shit again, pussy.
Chill out.
Hey man, you can't be doing that. Hey, you can't be doing that.
Yo, give me $1, bro. I'm buying you pizza, bro. Give me $1,